We went to Campsite Mabini in Bohol with my family to experience camping with a breathtaking view, and honestly, it's one of the best experience ever. If you're planning to go, I suggest dumating kayo during golden hour kasi sobrang ganda ng sunset, as in picture perfect. Yung rate for overnight stay is only 200 pesos per head. Super sulit kasi very convenient mag-camping dito. They have everything you need. May tents for rent, camp chairs, tables, lahat. Meron din silang mini store where you can buy foods, snacks, at basic needs. Plus may mini kitchen din if gusto mo magluto. O diba, hindi hassle. At night, you can also do bonfire. Perfect for storytelling or chill music vibes habang nakatingin sa stars. At pagising mo sa umaga, ganitong view yung makikita mo. As in, sobrang ganda, very relaxing, and very peaceful. Parang nakakawala talaga ng stress. So if you're planning to visit Bohol soon, make sure to consider Campsite Mabini. Promise, sulit yung experience.